A powerful winter storm has wreaked havoc across the eastern United States, claiming at least 5 lives and leaving over 175,000 residents without power. From Missouri to Virginia, the storm has caused travel chaos, hazardous road conditions, and widespread damage. In Missouri, two individuals tragically lost their lives after being struck by sliding vehicles. Kansas reported 3 fatalities, including one involving an out of control tractor trailer. In Washington, D.C., schools were closed as the city braced up for up to a foot of snow. Congress met despite the storm to certify election results. Residents faced rare wintry conditions as snow blanketed the capital streets and homes. More than 2,400 flights were cancelled and thousands more delayed as the storm disrupted air travel nationwide. The National Weather Service warns of freezing temperatures, ice accumulation, and the risk of tornadoes in southern eastern states. Power outages could last for days due to damaged trees and strong wind gusts. Governors in affected states have declared emergencies, urging residents to stay safe and indoors while recovery efforts continue. The storm serves as a stark reminder of the power of nature and the importance of preparation. For more such latest news and updates, subscribe to Daily Salar Digital.